Brand new set of GL30, it will come with a instruction booklet, telescope tube, handle, half floor nozzle, short nozzle, there's a wick tool, the dust bag, hose, and vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner itself, it comes with a container. You can use either a container or a dust bag for this vacuum. For bagless container, how you actually open up and dispose, just flip over, open up, and just pour the dust. By closing it, just press, clean it, back. For putting a bag, just take a container. You can just slot in. For this vacuum cleaner, it's made in Germany. And for all-rounder view, you can actually be able to push left and right easily without overturn the machine. It comes with retractable wire, so you can actually pull it and go back itself without pressing any button. For assembling the hose, just slot it in. Telescope tube nozzle with the hose, just close it. Telescope tube attached to the telescope tube handle, and of course accessories. You can use either a floor tool for the floor, or the nozzle, or either the specific tool. For this vacuum cleaner, you can actually, for the tube, you can actually lengthen it and shorten it. Pressing the power button and control the wire speed. Start vacuuming. Put it back for storage purpose. You can also put it behind for storage purpose also.